Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and in this session we are going to discuss PTE test format for beginners. So basically in this session we are not only going to discuss the format for speaking module but also for reading, listening and writing. We'll be discussing everything one by one. Even if you are a beginner, you will get to understand everything related to the PTE exam through this video. So watch this video until the end in order to understand everything. Now, first of all, when we talk about PTE test timings, so the whole test is of around 2 hours. And now, initially we have 1 minute introduction, then we have speaking and writing part, followed by reading, and then we have listening part. Earlier, there used to be a break, but now it has been removed. Now, for the personal introduction, they are going to ask you only your introduction that you have to do in 1 minute. And that also I'll tell you how you can do in the coming session. Okay. Now, part one, speaking and writing. In the speaking part, we have total of 5 tasks, and in the writing part, we have total of 2 tasks. So, we are going to focus on a few tasks and we can skip or we can give less importance to some of the tasks that also I'm going to explain in the further part. Now, part 2 reading 29 to 30 minutes, again 5 question types. Listening, we have 8 tasks. So total tasks that we have in the PTE exams, the total number of tasks is 20. Out of these 20, most of the tasks are integrated tasks. What is an integrated task? Integrated task is the task in which you get the scores for 2 modules rather than getting for only 1 module. For example, you have read aloud. Okay, you have read aloud task in speaking module. So here you are going to get the score for reading as well as speaking, because firstly you are reading the task, reading the text in order to understand it, and then you are speaking it aloud, so you are going to get the score in reading and speaking modules here. Similarly, there are other tasks in which you get the integrated scoring. Now, examination setup, please take care of this thing that the mic should be near your mouth and you should not keep hand on the mic. Your voice will not be clear. Sequence I have already told you. Now come to the important points. These are the most important points that you should consider. ये जो test है, this test is of 2 hours. Each recording is played only once, okay? Only once. You may take notes using erasable booklet and pen. You get erasable booklet, you can prepare notes, and for some tasks you should prepare notes. Then, speaking task types are not timed individually. This is a particular module in which the tasks are not timed individually. You get total of 30 minutes in order to attempt all the tasks. Okay. Then we have writing task types are timed individually. So we get 10 minutes for summarized written text. We get 20 minutes for writing an essay. So we get the time as per that. Now, if you look at this, now the speaking and writing takes somewhere around 54, in between 54 and 67 minutes. So you do not know how much time exactly the speaking module is going to take. But tentatively, it takes somewhere around 20 minutes. Okay. And the remaining time like is for the writing part. If it's essay, 20 minutes for essay, then 10 minutes for that. So around 20 minutes. In between 15 and 20 minutes may speaking part is usually over. Yes, earlier I said 30, but that was by mistake. In case you feel ma'am earlier said 30 and now she's saying 20. I just wanted to clear it out to you through screen. That's why I did not pointed it out earlier. Now, negative scoring, most important thing. Most of the learners out there do not know that some of the tasks are given negative scoring. So, for these 3 tasks, you get 1 for correct answer and -1 for incorrect answers. But for all the other tasks, you simply get 1 or 0, 1 for correct answer and 0 for incorrect answer. So I would suggest you guys to focus on these tasks in such a manner that you do not commit any mistake. Okay, so only tick if you are sure. Only attempt this particular question if you are sure. Only attempt these three tasks if you are 100% sure of the answer. Otherwise, it's better if you skip it because nobody wants -1. It's better to get a 0 than -1. So it's better you skip it if you're not sure. Okay. Now simply refer to the timer at the upper right corner of the computer screen. Whenever you are attempting the PTE exam, when you sit in the examination hall, you are going to see the timer on the upper right corner. It is somewhere here. As I have already mentioned, this video is about the test format for beginners. So the beginners who do not know anything about this, until now you have already understood that there are total of 20 tasks. Okay. Out of these 20 tasks, only a few tasks are quite important. So focus on those few tasks. As I have previously mentioned, read aloud is the task in which you get the scores in speaking as well as reading. Do you remember when we were in school, our teacher used to ask us to stand up and then we had to read a particular paragraph. So, reading sessions were usually organized during school days. And there, one of us was asked to stand up and read a particular paragraph aloud. We always hesitated there, but that's the most important task actually. And with the help of reading aloud, you can improve not only your read aloud part but also the repeat sentence right from dictation as you are improving your reading skills. So that's what is read about, aloud about. Then we have repeat sentence. You get to hear one sentence and you have to repeat it. I would suggest you guys to focus on all the tasks which are marked red and green. Okay. Firstly, focus on all the tasks which are marked red and green. Then focus on the remaining yellow tasks. If you feel like skipping a few tasks, I would suggest you to skip MCQs. Okay, MCQ single answer, MCQ multiple answer in both reading and listening modules can be skipped as these are not going to give you ठीक है good scores. These are not going to give you more scores, so you can focus on all the other tasks more. So all in all, if we have to focus on some tasks, those tasks are read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, and retell lecture of speaking section. Then we should focus on summarize written text and writing essay of the writing section. Afterwards, we should focus on reading and writing fill-ups and reading fill in the blanks along with reorder paragraphs. Okay. Now, if you want, you can actually give less importance to reorder paragraph. Then I would suggest you to focus on summarize spoken text, fill in the blanks of the listening section, highlight incorrect words, and write from dictation. These are the most important tasks. So, all in all, if you're looking at all the tasks, we simply need to focus on 12 tasks. So, out of 20, focus on 12 tasks more in order to score well. Okay, remaining 8 tasks can be practiced less at home. Hardly 50 questions of the remaining each task. 50 questions each of the remaining tasks can be practiced in order to get 80 plus easily in your PTE exam. Now, as far as the time is allotted, I have already mentioned. Okay. I have also mentioned reading and writing exam part or speaking part. I have mentioned it. So here we have the number of questions. Okay. So you can focus on the tasks as per the number of questions as well. Okay. So first of all, focus on read aloud the most 6 to 7. And in the upcoming video, I'm going to share as well how you can improve your reading, how you can improve your speaking skills. If you practice reading aloud regularly, you can eventually practice your speaking skills or gradually practice your speaking skills. Okay, so focus on this. Repeat sentence, high scoring tasks. Okay, you should also focus on writing essay. You can focus on summarize written text, answer short questions, just answer as per your general knowledge, practice total of 50 questions, retell lecture, and describe image. So simply focus on all these tasks. And most of the times you have to focus more on the speaking skills. That's the only reason I recommend all the learners out there to read at least 2 pages daily in order to improve your speaking skills. If you read 2 pages daily, you can easily speak or you can speak fluently on any topic, and that's going to help you in scoring well that in your PTE exam. That will help you score well in your PTE exam. Now, personal introduction, simply copy paste. My name is Sonam Sandhu and I'm an educator by profession who enjoys teaching alone. I'm fond of watching movies, especially sitcom series on Netflix and other OTT platforms. As far as my interests are concerned, I prefer going outside with my loved ones to have delicious food or just for a stroll. Okay, simply change it. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I am a student by profession who enjoys solving calculations a lot. Okay, but rest everything can be just same. Simply change the name, your profession, and what do you enjoy doing. Or I enjoy, I'm a student. I'm a student by profession remove. I'm a student who enjoys traveling a lot. I'm a student who enjoys traveling a lot. That's it, you have to follow. Read aloud, most important task. Please focus on this task and focus more on the speaking skills. Then repeat sentence. You listen to a sentence, then you have to repeat the same. So it is also quite important. Here you have to focus on your listening skills as well. You should be able to listen to every single thing they said. Okay. Describe image, look at the image, only 25 seconds you get for, okay, understanding the same, and later on you have to speak up, okay, in around somewhere around 40 minutes. Oh, sorry, 40 seconds, somewhere around 40 seconds. Now, PT speaking retail lecture. As you already know, you are going to listen to an audio. Yahan pe, it's most important thing here is to prepare notes simultaneously. You are going to listen to the audio, prepare notes simultaneously. Okay. Now, answer short questions. Okay. 1 to 9. 5 to 6 questions in total. Listen to the question. Look at the image if any. No time to prepare. Answer it in one or few words as soon as the recorder starts. It's very easy. Some general questions only. Okay. So you just are going to listen to the question, answer in 1 or 2 words. PTE writing, summarize written text. This is the task. I would never suggest anyone to use template. Here you simply have to write in complex structures. That also I have explained. And for the same, you can simply go and check out my video related to summarize written text, in which I have explained you the structure. I have explained you the connectors that you can use in order to write effectively. Now, essay writing, I have already provided the template for the same. Simply copy paste the template because it's quite difficult to write the full essay in 20 minutes. It's better if you copy paste the template. Okay. Now coming to the reading part, please focus on reading and writing fill in the blanks. These are going to give you a lot of scores. So basically you're going to get a total of somewhere around 50 marks for reading and writing fill in the blanks. And there is only one method of attempting any fill in the blanks, and that is read the text once in order to get the idea. Now read the first sentence. Think of the word form in the blank. Now fill in the blank with the suitable option. That's it. Okay. You can skip multiple choice, multiple answers. Negative marking is there in this task. So basically in the multiple choice part, you have negative marking. It's better you skip it. Okay. Then reorder paragraph. Do it attentively. Focus on the introductory sentence. Okay. And for all the tasks, if you do not know how to attempt these, you can simply go through my reading mock test video. That's already out there. You can go and check out that video. In that video, I have explained how to attempt every single task of reading module. Now fill in the blank, same method, multiple choice, single answer, you can skip it. Now PT reading and writing drop down blanks. Okay, here again simple, fill in the blanks. I've already told you which all question types do you need to focus on. Coming to the last part, simply focus on summarize spoken text. Okay, so you are going to listen to an audio and you prepare notes simultaneously. Later on, write it down in your own words. MCQs can be skipped. Now fill in the blank, same method as I have previously mentioned. Follow the same only. Read the text once, think of the word form, read the first sentence. Now think of the suitable option or decide on the suitable option. Now focus on right from dictation as well. Here you get to hear one sentence. You have to listen to the sentence carefully. As the name suggests, it is a listening module. So we have to focus more on the listening skills. So listen to the sentence carefully and then write it down. That's what right from dictation task is all about. It is also going to give you somewhere around 50 marks. So do not skip this task as well. Okay. So we simply have to focus on 12 tasks. As I have previously mentioned, we simply have to focus on 12 tasks more in order to get 80 plus. Now, as far as the remaining 8 tasks are concerned, I'm not asking you to skip those 8 tasks. I'm just suggesting you to practice these tasks lesser as compared to the 12 tasks. So you may simply practice 50 to 70 questions. Okay, 50 to 70 questions each of the remaining 8 tasks, and that's it. So this is all. So learners, I believe you must have understood everything I have explained in this video. This is all about PTE test format for beginners. You do not know anything about PT, this video will serve the purpose. And I believe this has already served the purpose too. So please start practicing like this. Do smart work rather than hard work. Focus on high scoring tasks and skip the 3 tasks in which we have negative marking. I have already told you those 3 tasks in the beginning. Multiple choice questions, multiple answers. Multiple choice questions, multiple answers, listening module and reading module, highlight incorrect words, listening module. So rather than getting negatively scored, it's better you skip. So that's it. I'm going to see you in the upcoming video. If you want me to create a video on some topic or on a particular thing you are facing problem in, do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely shoot the video. As I have already shot last time, Alpha PTE versus APUNI. So you can also suggest me some titles in the comment section. I'll definitely solve your problem by shooting the or by preparing the content for the same video and publishing for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.